Welcome to Kitty Creations! Hello, kiddos! Today we're going to make a super fun drawing. So grab your sketchbook and colors and let's get started! Light blue color. Red color. Light brown color. Pink color. Light green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Dark blue color. Brown color. Green color. Wow, that was such a fun drawing. If you enjoyed it, we'll see you in the next video with another fun idea. Thanks for watching! And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye, kiddos!